Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate emoji or sticker in CapCut. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut, and first of all, I'm going to add emoji or sticker. So I'm clicking on sticker option right here, then just select the emoji or sticker that we want to add to our video. And for example, I'm going to add emoji. I'm going to select this one, so just tap on the emoji and click on this check mark. And if you want to animate this emoji, we can simply click on animation right here. Then you can select the animation that you like. And for example, I'm going to select looped category. Then I'm going to choose swing. Just tap on the animation. Then you can adjust the speed. You can make it fast or slow like this. And then after that, we can click on this check mark. Okay, and let's just take a look at the result, guys. So this is the result. Alright, and if you want to zoom in or zoom out the emoji, you can simply click on the emoji, then you can zoom in or zoom out like this. Then I'm going to play the video. Alright, and okay guys, that's how we can animate emoji or sticker in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.